Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding Cardano. I did take 2 days off, guys, very much needed, just had a good time and, went out. So apologies on the, lack of updates over the past 2 days, but we're back on schedule. So let's get right into it. So we're going to be talking about Cardano, as you guys can tell by the title of the video. And if we're looking at the price of Cardano right now, it is currently trading at 38.5 cents. We're down about 2.4% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down about 1.8% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at the market cap is currently sitting at $13.5 billion with the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $238.7 million. So now comes the question, what is happening with the price of Cardano? Because over the past few days, 2 to 3 days to be exact, we're seeing the prices in the entire markets going towards the downside. So what's coming next? Where are the prices going? That's what we're going to discuss. So if we're looking at the price of Cardano right now, before I jump into that, guys, just a quick disclaimer. And that is that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So if we're looking at the price of Cardano right now, you guys can see the price is now below that level of support, which was a massive level of resistance over the past, few weeks, since the year of 2023 to be exact, which is at that 39.5 cents. So we're a little bit down below that. If I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, I can tell you guys the exact number as to how low we are from that level. So as of recording this video, we are down about 2.6% from that level of resistance, and we did go back down even 2 days ago. We went all the way to that 37 cents, but look what happened, guys. We did see the price of Cardano really make its way back up to that range. So that shows, the strength of this level of resistance is still in play. As you guys can see, we did get rejected this time around, but could this time be the time where we finally break out of here, which is very, very important again for the price of Cardano to be above that level of resistance, because as long as we're above that, I am okay. But you guys can see the price of Bitcoin as expected, as we were discussing over the past few weeks, that Bitcoin needs a little bit of a cool off. And remember, Bitcoin right now is still holding within the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. 2 different times it retested that range, and this could be the 3rd time we could retest that support of the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. We have a lot of support built up around here, so we are being supported by that range, which is not a surprise right now. But if Bitcoin were to even fall below this, the next target would be around the $25,300 mark, which I've told you guys on my channel even before is a really healthy place for the price of Bitcoin to consolidate, because that still puts Bitcoin in a higher high and a higher low, and that means that we are still in an upwards trajectory. Remember, Bitcoin has seen a significant move towards the upside this year just since March 11th, guys. If I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, just since March 11th, we saw the price of Bitcoin go up almost 60%. So seeing a little bit of retracement again is very much needed. People are going to take profits, and this is just part of the game. There's going to be retracements. There's going to be times where there is a little bit of a red that happens, but that is healthy. That is very much needed within the market. So what could that do to the price of Cardano? Again, Cardano right now is below this level of resistance. Obviously, before, when we were above that, that was a level of support, but now we are seeing this as a level of resistance. So we are below it. So we are being supported by the previous wicks that we have encountered over the past few months. If we lose that support, there is a strong likelihood that Cardano could go down to that 37 cents mark, and if it goes lower to that too, then we do have quite a bit support built up around that 33.8 cents mark. That is definitely on the table right now. Yes, no one wants to hear this, not a single person wants to hear this, especially when things were going insane, but this is where you need to educate yourself. Cryptocurrencies at the end of the day do correlate with the price of Bitcoin. So whatever Bitcoin does is going to happen to the altcoins. Yes, there's going to be certain altcoins that are outperforming the markets, but majority will be impacted by the price of Bitcoin, and that's what we're seeing happen for ADA. But you guys know my stance for Cardano in the long term. Again, this is just the start of the bull cycle. We haven't even seen an altcoin season. When that thing happens, guys, that's where things are about to get insane. As I've said, we do have quite a bit of resistance built up even within this range. I said if we break out of that previous yearly high, and, which was back on October of last year. I said, we would see a new yearly high come about, and that's exactly what happened for the price of ADA. We saw 46 cents ADA just last week. But with that said, there's still a lot of resistance that's coming on its way. But, once we clear this 52 cents mark, you guys know my next target, which is around that 70 cents mark. And if you guys were kicking yourself around this range, you guys were feeling FOMO, now is the time to be accumulating ADA. You guys know my stance. I believe Cardano is going to be one of the top performers, and possibly could even see double digits at the peak of the bull cycle. So obviously this is going to be a patience game, but the people that are accumulating during the lows are the ones that are going to make it in this market. So patience is your number one key to follow right now. Like I said, I would love to see the price of Cardano reclaim that level of resistance. That would definitely be quite bullish. But if Bitcoin were to see more downward trend, then we could see some lower prices for the price of Cardano again, which would be totally okay. That is it for the ADA's update. Let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the price of Cardano going. Are you guys accumulating more? What is your strategy right now? Love you all. See you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.